Chapter 2: History of Game Development. Introduction of the History of the Games. Games has been part of human culture of thousands of years, starting with the ancient board games like Sanyat using sticks and stone, then evolving into dice games, tokens, and cards, while many ancient games had faded or changed over time. Classic like chess, backgammon, and Go have stood test of the time. Today, game has become diverse and technology advanced, with object ranging from traditional board games to original games played to smartphone and computers. Games continue to be a powerful tools of entertainment, learning, and social interaction. Example, games started in ancient times with board games and sports, then evolved with technology into video games, becoming a global source of fun and connection today. And the next one is 1. Origin and evolution of games. What is games? Video games like arcade games or microchip-controlled toys are played electronically using devices like smartphone, gaming console, or personal computers, allowing players to control or avatar movements. Type of video games. Number 1. Sandbox open world linear gameplay emphasizing freedom and creativity. 2. Real-time strategy. Tactical games requiring fast decision-making and resource management. 3. Shooters. Action games with either first-person or third-person perspective. 4. MOBA or Multiplayer Online Battle Arena. Strategy-based team-oriented games like Language or Legends. 5. Role-playing games. Character-based games with progression including subgenres like RPGs.
Milestone in global game development. Milestone are critical stage in the game development process as we has historical breakthrough that shape the industry. Milestone are important step or breakthrough in making games that help shape and improve the gaming industry. Let's proceed to the seventh stage of game development. The first one is planning. Define the concept, genre, platform, and target audience. Planning, dito iniisip at dinidiscuss kung ano yung game genre nito like action, puzzle, etc. Platform kung saan ilalathala like PC, mobile, console at sino ang target player nito. Next, pre-production. Pre-production, build prototypes, storyboards, and design documents. Pre-production, dito gumagawa na ng prototypes or sample version, storyboards or visual plan at design documents para planuhin ng maayos ang games. Next, production. Production, develop the game asset, coding, and level. Production, ito yung actual na paggawa ng game. Dito, nagde-develop ng mga asset, graphics, sound, coding para mag-function ang game at paggawa ng level o stage. Next, testing. Identify bug and refine gameplay. Testing, sinusubukan ang laro para makita kung may bug o errors. Inaayos din ang gameplay para mas maging smooth at enjoyable. Pre-launch, starting and community engagement. Pre-launch, nagsisimula ng mag-market ang developers at mag-engage sa community para mag-build ang excitement bago ilabas ang game. Next, launch. Release the game and address early feedback. Launch, ito na ang release ng game sa publiko. Tinatanggap nila ang feedback mula sa players at maayos agad kung may problema. Last, post-launch. Maintain with update, fix, and additional content. Post-launch, patuloy ang support, updates, bug fix, at pagdagdag ng bagong content para mas tumagal at maging masaya ang game sa mga players. Let's proceed to the key historical milestone. First commercial consoles and arcade games in 1970s. Noong 1970s, sumikat ang mga unang commercial consoles at arcade games tulad ng Pong at Space Invaders. Ito ang nagsimula ng industriya ng home gaming. Next, rise of indie games like Minecraft in 2010s. Sa dekada 2010s, sumikat ang indie games gaya ng Minecraft na nagsilbing patunay na kahit maliit na grupo lang ang pwedeng gumawa ng malaking hit sa industriya. Next, growth of mobile gaming and streaming platforms like Twitch. Sa kasalukuyan, malaki ang growth ng mobile gaming at streaming platform tulad ng Twitch. Dito nakikita ang malaking epekto ng social media at internet sa pagpapalawak ng reach ng mga laro. Last, innovation in UB and AR gaming. Ang mga innovation sa VR at AR gaming ay nagdadala ng kakaibang karanasan sa mga manlalaro na nagbibigay daan sa mas immersive na paglalaro. Sa kabuuan, ang industriya ng laro ay patuloy na nagbabago at sumusulong na puno ng mga milestone na nagsisilbing gabay sa mga susunod pang henerasyon ng game developers at players.
Philippine game development history, early development. Game development began in 1992, mainly as outsourcing for Japanese companies. Companies like Micronet, Software Manila, and Japan Media Programming Cebu were pioneers. Most content was for Japanese markets and remained relatively. Growth and innovation. Growth of a strong outsourcing sector. Formation of Game Developers Association of the Philippines. Rise of original Filipino-made games featuring local stories and culture. Government initiatives, Arise Plus project, supported development and education. Expansion of esports training programs and international recognition. What does Philippine game development proves? The Philippines has transitioned from outsourcing to creating original IP. It demonstrates creative innovation and global competitiveness. The industry shows potential for foreign investment, cultural export, and economic growth. We have prepared the 15 items quiz for you. Please answer it. That's all. Thank you.